Good morning, children. Now, exercise 2.4, eighth sum. Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. So, a group of deers were there. Half of them are grazing in the field. 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. And the rest 9 are drinking water. You are asked to find the number of deer in the group. So that is herd. So let the number of, you don't know how many deer were there. Let the number of deer in the herd is equal to y. Next, number of deer grazing in the field. Grazing in the field. How many were grazing? Half of the herd. Half of the herd. So here herd is what? Y. So 1/2 of y, that is equal to y/2. Total number of deers in the herd were y. Half of them are grazing in the field. Half of y, that is y/2. Next, what is he saying? 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. Now remaining, how many were remaining? Remaining deers is equal to, how to find the remaining deers? Total deers, y we have taken, minus number of deers grazing is y/2. So how many were remained? 2y minus y is equal to y/2. y/2 are grazing and y/2 are playing. Next, what is he saying? So number of deers in the herd is y. Number of deers grazing is half of that is y/2. Remaining deers are y/2. So what is he saying now? 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. Now how many deers are playing nearby? So number of deers playing is how many? He said 3/4 of remaining. 3/4 of remaining. Remaining how many? y/2. So 3/4 of y/2. That is equal to what? 3/4 into y/2. That is equal to 3y/8. 3y/8 deers are playing and the rest 9 were drinking water from the pond. 9 deers were. Number of deers drinking how many? Number of deers drinking water. How many? 9. So number of deers drinking in the water is 9. Total there were y deers. Half of them are grazing, so y/2. Remaining are also y/2. 3/4 of the remaining were playing. So number of deers playing were 3y/8. Number of deers drinking is 9. Now we are asked to find the total number of deers in the herd. So total number of deer, how you will get? Number of deers grazing, number of deers playing, number of deers drinking water gives you total deers. So here, now how to frame the equation? Total deers were y. In this group of deers, how many were doing what type of activities? Half of them are grazing. So how many were grazing? We got y/2. Plus how many were playing? 3y/8. Plus rest 9 were drinking water. So solve this equation. You will get y is equal to something. That gives you the number of deer in the herd. So all this will come this side. Then what happens? Y minus y/2 minus 3y/8 is equal to 9. Now LCM is what? 8. 1 8s are 8y minus 2 fours are 4y, 8 ones are minus 3y is equal to 9. So how to simplify this? 8y minus 4y is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. So y by 8 is equal to 9. Therefore y is equal to what? This is going to opposite side. Divided by becomes into 9 into 8, that is equal to 72. So you are asked to find the number of deer in the herd. How many deers were there in the herd? 72. Next sum. Ninth sum. A grandfather is 10 times older than his grandfather. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. Grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. So let granddaughter's present age is equal to x years. Granddaughter's present age is x years. Next, what happens to grandfather says he is 10 times older than his granddaughter. So, grandfather's age becomes grandfather's present age is what? He is 10 times older than his granddaughter. So, what will be grandfather's present age? 10x. Next, he is also 54 years older than her. So, he is also 54 years older. He means who here? Grandfather. So, according to this, what happens? Grandfather's age is equal to, he is also 54 years older than granddaughter. So, grandfather's age is equal to what? Granddaughter's age plus 54. According to the question, in question he is saying he is also, that means the grandfather, he is also 54 years older than his granddaughter's age. So, this is the equation you are going to frame. Grandfather's age is how much? 10x. Granddaughter's age is how much? X plus 54. Solve this. X will come this side. So, 9x is equal to 54. Therefore, x is equal to how much? 54 by 9. That is equal to 6. 9 6 are 54. X is what? Granddaughter's present age. In the question, you are asked to find their present ages. That means present age of granddaughter and present age of grandfather. So, granddaughter's age you got 6. Then what will be grandfather's age? 10x. Therefore, granddaughter's present age is equal to x. That is equal to 6 years. You are asked to find grandfather's present age also. Grandfather's present age is equal to what? 10x. That is 10 into 6 is equal to 60 years. Okay. Here what you were given that he is also 54 years older than granddaughter. So granddaughter age you got 6. Grandfather's age is 60 years. How many years he is older? 54 years. Like this you can cross check. Next question, 10th sum. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. So here Aman is father and he is 3 times his son's age. So whose age you should take as x? Let son's present age is equal to x years. Son's present age is equal to x years. Then Aman's age becomes what? Aman's present age. What? He is 3 times. 3 times his son. So this becomes what? Son is x years. So father is 3 times. So father's age becomes 3x. Next, 10 years ago. 10 years ago. Now the first fellow, that is son, is x years. 10 years back, what was his age? X minus 10. For example, if you are 15 years now, 10 years back, what was your age? 15 minus 10 is 5 years. So when ago is given, you need to subtract. So 10 years ago, son's age is how much? X minus 10. Now he is 10. 10 years back he will be x minus 10. 10 years ago, Aman's age. Now he is 3x years. 10 years ago he will be 3x minus 10 years. Okay. In the question you are told that 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. So 10 years ago, he means who? Aman. 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. So how to frame the equation? 10 years ago, Aman's age is 3x minus 10 years. He was 5 times his son's age. 5 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. 10 years ago, this was Aman's age. He is 5 times his son's age. Simplify this. 3x minus 10 is equal to 5x minus 50. Simplify. So, anyway you can transpose. So, 5x is coming to left side. That is 3x minus 5x is equal to, this is going to opposite side, minus 50 plus 10. Minus 2x is equal to minus 40. Minus minus cancel. So therefore x is equal to how much? 40 by 2, that is equal to 20. That means x, whose age is x? Son's age. So therefore son's age is 20 years. You are asked to find their present ages. Therefore present age of son, or son's present age also you can write. Son's present age what? X. That is equal to 20 years. Next, Aman's. What is his present age? 3x years. So 3 into 20, that is equal to 60 years. Aman's present age is 60 years and his son's present age is 20 years. And today's homework is page 32. Examples you have to do. Example 16, 17, 18 do in your homework book.